See what I gotta deal with? What do I gotta deal with? A child who's going to kill me with a chainsaw. See, I'm just trying to watch. Look, I'm trying to watch the pretty lady. Yeah, she's pretty, right? Yeah, I think people like her. I think so. And, no, my son's gonna axe chainsaw me to death. You're gonna sing for everybody? Pick a chainsaw up. Show everyone. Say, look at my chainsaw. I'm the next horror killer child. Hey. Can you do your crawler? Do your crawler for me. Jack, do your crawler. Anybody? Anyone needs a zombie? We got a crawler boy. So if anyone needs a zombie, call us. Do your zombie cry. Rah! Right? Can you call us? Do your zombie face. Do your zombie face. Ah! Zombie face! He's gonna get you! Do your screamer! Do your screamer! If you need a scary Halloween child who picks his nose. Wave. Clap. Wave. What are we doing? Coughing? Okay. Alright. Good night. Can I go back to watching the pretty lady? Can we go back to watching the pretty lady? Can't really see her, but... Okay. Good night. Can you say bye?
Say bye.
Say bye.